Okay, with this formula expression, how can you solve it? So when you see this formula expression, do you remember that 1 minus b to the power of n equals 1 minus b multiplied with 1 plus b plus b squared plus b p to the power of 3 plus p to the power of 4 plus p to the power of 5 blah 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 plus p to the power of n minus 1. Okay, close bracket. And you can see that it will equal to 1 minus p to the 7 to the power of 7. Then you can choose this is p. Okay, and this is the way I prove it to you how I can have this expression, this formula expression. Okay, now we have 1 plus b plus b squared plus b to the power of 3 bq, or you can say like that, b to the power of 4, and then b to the power of n minus 1. And I will put it is as, well, the name of this expression is s, okay? And then I multiply p two sides, left side and right side. So we have s multiplied b equals b plus b squared plus b to the power of 3 plus b squared to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 5, and then you blah 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 to p multiplies with b to the power of minus n, p to the power of n minus 1, and you have p to the power of n. Okay, and then you will put you will use s minus sb, and then you have 1 minus p n. Why I have this result? Because I use s minus sb is, and I copy this, and I minus this, but please put it into the bracket, and when you open the bracket you have to change the sign into the bracket. Okay, and then you have sb is 1, you copy this, you minus b square minus b to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 4 minus b to the power of 5 blah blah blah. B okay, let me have this result. You can say like B And you have minus p and minus p to the power of n minus 1 will cancel out with p to the power of n minus 1, right? And it turn out 0. Okay. P minus p 0. P minus 1 squared is 0. So you have 1 minus p to the power of n. Okay. You take s as a common factor, and you have 1 minus p close bracket equals 1 minus p to the power of n. Ah, and then you can say s will have okay, then you have this. Okay, and this will, and then you can see 1 minus v equals 1 minus v s. And s I put in from the beginning is this, and I will copy it. Okay, and this variable 1 minus v, you have open bracket and close bracket. Okay, and then you have well, just need to copy it and you can prove it, right? Equals, which means 1 minus v will equal with 1. And you remember that he will increase that b to the power of 0 plus b to the power of 1, b squared plus b squared plus b to the power of 3 plus b to the power p to the power of 4 plus blah 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 to the plus b to the power of n minus 1, and you have plus b to the power of 2 plus b to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 4 plus blah 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 plus b to the power of minus n minus 1. Yeah, and you have this answer of this expression is 1 minus p7 by memorize the formula. And in case you forget this formula, you can do it like me, like you multiply two sides, the left side and the right side. You have this. Okay. Or you can memorize it in a direct way. 1 minus p to the power of n is like that. And you replace n with 7 and you will have this. Yeah, okay. That's all. And the answer is C. Okay, it's easier to find. And the answer is B. Okay. Answer is B.